Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kessiena here and I'm back with another video. In case you are new to my channel, my name is Kessiena. I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber and my content is solely based on beauty, lifestyle and DIY. From the thumbnail, as you saw on this video, you are going to see that I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of you guys. Drum rolls of my new 12-inch ring light, you guys. So I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing this. I ordered this because for English will film. I ordered this from an Instagram beauty store and it got here today. I had things to do, but I had to forfeit all those things because I really need to film this and also check if these are the products I actually ordered, just to be sure the Nigerian Institute. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing, you guys. You might see some unboxing videos.
Oh my god.
You might see some makeup products. I also ordered some makeup products from her too, and yeah, and well, let's just unbox, okay? Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like my video, and please, I beg you in the name of God, please share my video. I need it. The first thing I'm going to be unboxing for you guys today is my tripod, or the tripod, I don't know if it's tricky. So I'm going to unbox that for you guys. So I'm going to fast forward all this part because this lens is going to really disturb people that are going to use their earpiece. So so this is the tripod.
What did they do you?
Not tripod, they
call them.
What, you guys? I just remember that I didn't even ask the lady how tall this thing is. Oh, this is the tripod, you guys. Okay, I think I'm supposed to use it here. Oh, I'm tightening it too. I am so scared I'm going to spoil this thing.
10 days
later.
I did it! Okay, the more the more I lose it, the more it opens, I guess. You guys, sorry, I think I'm not showing you guys. Wow, is this the knob? I mean, whatever they call this. Okay, I'm tightening it now. So I'm going to be loosening it. So the more I lose it, did I tighten it here? Okay, I understand now. And Mado, did you tell me shut up? Okay, so there's a place. Okay, I'm loosening it from here. Okay, why am I so excited? Oh my god, my first ring light, you guys. So the next thing I'm going to unbox is this one. Yeah, I'm going to unbox this one. Yes, so this is it. So apparently the lady said the makeup products I ordered were inside. When I went and picked it up from GIG, I was like, where's my makeup product? Where are my makeup products? I need to breathe. Okay, so let's start with the makeup products, you guys. Let's start with this one. So this is a set of brushes from BH Cosmetics. I don't know how to speak English. Anyways, this is a set of brushes from BH Cosmetics. I really like the bag. It's really fine. Ooh. This is so pretty. I really love these brushes. Oh my god. The set is of 12. I can't remember. Or 10. No, it's 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I beg, I don't know. I can't remember, but oh my god, they're so cute. The brush is so soft. This is what I've been looking for, you guys. It's so soft. Anyways, new set of brushes, new me. You know. And this, okay, I'm supposed to put it inside. Oh my god. So I'll put it inside. Next up. So the other makeup products I ordered were the Kiss Beauty setting spray, and this was real cheap, and those who are makeup artists know that this setting spray is like real good. And so yeah, I also ordered the mascara from Classic, and it was really nice. I also ordered the AOA contour stick. It was real nice too, and the shade was okay. It was not too dark because I was a bit scared that it's a bit too dark for me. So I'll be trying out all these products in another video. She gave me a gift, and that's the purse. I'll be linking her Instagram account in my description box, so you guys can do well to click that. I also ordered the Airspun translucent setting powder, and yeah, I also ordered that makeup or brush container, and yeah, that's all. Know how much this is? Do you want to? 800 naira. 800 freaking naira. That's less about $1 or $2 if we convert it to dollars. 800 naira. See the pigmentation, you guys. It is so pigmented. A little will go a long way. No, this is something I'm very happy I got. So yeah, this is a battery, the battery for the ring light. Now we're getting to the ring light. These are some cables, some cords, adapter. Yeah, this is the adapter for the ring light. Phone stand. No, this one is for the ring light. It's a phone stand. I think you put it inside. I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, and last but not the least, let me check that the ring makeup in here. One more makeup. The ring light, you guys. It's quite okay. I like the size. After all, it's 12 inches. Is it 12 inches? 12 inches. Okay, so let's get into the setting up of these. I'm going to set this up. So let's do it together. So I'm seeing something like a hole right here. I think it's supposed to go into this place. Okay, then. Oh, I need plug. So guys, I'm gonna get the adapter. There was no adapter. I don't know if it uses this kind of plug. Hey, please let me read something first. There was something that happened to me, you guys. Let me just it first. I got LED strip lights and I just plugged it in like that. Then all of a sudden it stopped working. Why is it not working? I started crying because I'm that emotional. Not so emotional. I'm still also a tough person, so I started crying. I was like, why is this not working? I even called one of my friends that read electrical engineering. I started crying for him, and he was like, the fault might not be with the motherboard, because I read something online like the motherboard might have fried, and I was like, I just bought this thing like not too long ago. It has not lasted up to a month, and the thing has spoiled. Motherboard has fried. How? And I was like, I now called him. I was like, I don't understand. Well, I don't know why this thing is not working. Blah, 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 blah. I was like, it's not. He doubts it's the motherboard that he suspects. I'm hearing noise. I was hearing this sparking noise. I mean, I should not spoil my ring light. Let me off it first. So back to story time. So I was not like, I now called him. He was like, he doubts if the motherboard was bad or anything like that. That probably is the adapter. And this is how the adapter looks like. So when I read the adapter, it was saying this thing is output is 12 volts direct current, and the current is 2 amperes. For those of you that understand electrical test, you know what I mean. For those of you that did engineering, you did electrical something, so you definitely understand what I'm saying. But it's no radio. Anyway, so I now checked it. It didn't work. So that, I think for like a week plus, I even felt sick. I gave up on it. I was so unproductive. I didn't want to do anything because I was really depressed about it. Then something just told me, Kessiena, look for other adapters and try it with this stuff. And now, don't try this at home, child. Don't try this. I carried a DSTV adapter and I plugged it in. And I plugged it to this motherboard and the strip light and everything. And behold, my strip light worked. I said dancing. Guy, I was so happy, honestly. I was happy because that thing would have T-pain me. All of it was for YouTube, and I'd have just been angry. Anyway, so I plugged it in. I was hearing one sparking noise, so that's why I off the switch. So I plugged it in. Man, this thing should not. Okay, no noise. So let me turn it here so you guys can see the light. You guys, I'll be back. Let me understand what is going on. So Guys, I found out that the ring light was faulty, so I already communicated with the girl, and she said I should send it back. So I'm going to send it back. This is so painful, you guys. I've been so excited since, but I guess this is how it's going to be. So I'll give you guys an update on my next video after this one. So yeah, that is going to be all for today, you guys. Please make sure you like my video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I really need that so badly. I also need you to please share my video, copy the link and share it on Instagram, on WhatsApp, on TikTok, on Twitter, whatever social media you're using. Please share it there, okay? And so that's going to be the end of this video. It's so sad that I could not see the ring light or see it. It's so sad that the light was not working. It's just so sad. Yeah, so that's going to be all for today, guys. Love you guys. Bye.